Module 9, Intellectual Property Rights IPR for Artisans. Module Overview. One of the most overlooked yet critically important aspects of legal protection for artisans is intellectual property rights IPR. While most artisans focus on perfecting their craftsmanship, designs, and delivery, many fail to protect their original works from imitation, theft, or unauthorized use. This module explores how artisans can leverage intellectual property laws to safeguard their creativity, preserve their competitive edge, and establish a long-lasting reputation in their trade. 1. Understanding intellectual property, IP. Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind that have economic, cultural, and social value. For artisans, this could include designs, unique dress patterns, shoe designs, furniture styles, beadwork, artworks. Logos and business names, distinctive branding elements artisans use to market themselves. Inventions or innovations, tools, methods, or creative ways of crafting. Artistic expressions, drawings, paintings, sculpture, wood carvings, textile prints. These creations are often intangible, but laws allow them to be owned, transferred, sold, licensed, and legally defended, just like physical property. 2. Categories of intellectual property for artisans. Copyright protects original works of art, craft, design sketches, patterns, drawings, and even training manuals created by artisans. Example: a tailor's unique fashion sketch is automatically copyrighted once it is documented. Trademarks. 3. Why intellectual property? Matters for artisans prevents copying and exploitation, protects artisans from larger companies or competitors who might try to steal their designs. Enhances business reputation. Owning a trademark/logo increases trust and recognition among customers. Creates new income streams. IP can be licensed or franchised, e.g., licensing a fabric pattern to other designers. Strengthens negotiations. When entering into contracts, artisans with protected IP have stronger bargaining power. Boosts creativity and innovation. Artisans are motivated to create when they know their work is safe. 4. Steps for artisans to protect intellectual property. Document your work. Keep records, sketches, or pictures of your designs to prove ownership. Register your IP. Apply for trademarks, copyrights, or patents with relevant government agencies, e.g., Nigerian Copyright Commission, Trademark Registry. Use contracts. Include clauses in contracts to prevent misuse of your designs or methods by clients. Mark your work. Use copyright for copyright, trademark for trademark, or patent numbers to indicate ownership. Monitor and enforce rights. Watch for infringement and take legal action when necessary. 5. Challenges. Artisans face in protecting IP lack of awareness about IP laws, high cost of registration and enforcement, limited access to legal services, weak enforcement mechanisms in some regions, informal business practices that ignore legal protection. 6. Practical case studies. Tailor's design. Theft. A tailor designs a unique wedding gown style, but another tailor copies and sells it at lower prices. Without copyright or design registration, the first tailor struggles to claim ownership. Furniture maker's logo. A carpenter registers his brand logo, and when another workshop tries to use a similar logo, he successfully stops them through a trademark complaint. Beadmaker's secret formula. A beadmaker trains apprentices, but signs contracts preventing them from disclosing her beadmaking techniques. This protects her trade secret. 7. How artisans can monetize intellectual property licensing, allowing others to use their designs for a fee. Franchising, expanding a business model under brand protection. Selling designs outright. Collaborating with larger companies while retaining IP ownership. Conclusion. Intellectual property rights are not just for big companies or large corporations. They are equally crucial for artisans. By understanding, registering, and enforcing IP rights, artisans can secure their creativity, build strong business identities, expand their markets, and leave a lasting legacy of their craftsmanship.